Your Honor.
Yeah?
Hi. I would like to have a quick word with you, please.
Oh, sure.
So, I'm not entirely sure how much you remember when I first started off with being a lawyer, but I don't know if you remember that I had aspirations to represent PD in the court of law, but due to staffing issues, I was given the role of, helping out the criminals. And I was wondering that since we had a little bit more lawyers now, if it's possible, I can make the switch. I still have
Absolutely.
aspirations to be the judge as well, but I'm willing to go over to the PD side to help them with their cases.
Yeah, you can represent whoever you want, and I do strongly oppose you having my job, but
No, as a second judge, not your
oh,
job. No, not your judge, but yeah. I guess if we ever get to a point where we have a lot of lawyers, I still have aspirations of being a judge. Yes, that's what I mean. But yeah,
I mean, if I'm ever involved in a case, we may need a second, um, somebody else to rule over it. So that is good to know.
okay.
But I mean, there's not enough. I've had like 3 cases in 6 months. There's not enough.
I know. When we pick up, I know. But cool. So I just wanted to get the green light to go ahead and present myself as
Yeah,
an option for PD in the court of law. Well, that was it.
yeah.
That's
You're
all.
you're yeah. You're good to go. You're the first one, and take whatever position you want. And what office do you want?
Um, like breaking news. I have office number 3. Yay. Okay. Well, thank you for your time, Your Honor. I look forward to helping justice be served, especially now that Officer Juice is on a leave of absence.
That was great.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. When there's not bullets flying everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Hi. So I have recently spoken to the judge, and she has approved my transfer. I had meant to go down to P&D to let you all know personally, but since I saw you here, I figured I'd just give you the heads up. I will be a lawyer for PD going forward. Because
Okay.
before I was, when we were just short staffed and it was just me, I was representing the crims. But now that we have a couple of lawyers, I'll be switching over to representing PD in any court cases.
All right, one
So,
second. 201 to oh 01. Can you meet me down here on Power Street and Vespucci Boulevard, nearest postal 746? This is the commissioner right here.
huh, nice. Hi, Commissioner.
Would you
Um,
be?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
I was just informing. Well, I had spoken to the judge recently, and when we first started the DOJ, I was assigned to, help defend the crims because we were short staffed. It was just me. But since we have a couple of more lawyers right now, I have my transfer's been approved. I will now be representing PD in any future court cases. So I
Okay.
just wanted to let you know. I don't know what that technically makes me, but I will be. If PD goes to court, you can call me in case you need a lawyer to represent you in the court of law.
Okay. All right. All right. That works for me. Perfect.
Okay, I'll have a calling card posted in the Discordia or something, but
Okay.
um, let me know if you need anything.
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate you letting me know.
No problem. You have a good day.
All right,
You as
you
well.
too. Thanks for coming over, Commissioner. We had a vehicle in the southbound lane pass us at 137 miles per hour. Me and Jimmy Klein turned around to pursue the vehicle. The vehicle did pull over.
What the fuck are you doing there?
Once the vehicle came to a complete stop, the suspect
Shave your
got
beard,
out of the
buddy.
vehicle and went straight to the trunk. We demanded him back into the vehicle. He did not abide. Me, myself, Broccoli, and Jimmy Klein pulled less lethal tasers on him and demanded him back in the vehicle again. He did not listen again, so he was placed in handcuffs. We suspected that he may have pulled a weapon out of the trunk, so a Terry frisk was performed on him. We did feel a weapon upon his clothing, and we did feel a weapon, so we felt that that gave us probable cause to go ahead and search him, and there was a Class 2 weapon on him, so he was read his Miranda rights and placed in the back of a police cruiser and brought to the courthouse.
Defense?
This lawyer better be good.
Your Honor, can we have a sidebar with the prosecution, your Crown Attorney? Be 2 minutes in your office, ma'am.
Miss B.
No, not my office. The office
Right
to the
here.
right.
Okay. Miss B.
Uh,
So, me and the prosecution were talking, and I think we've agreed on a plea bargain for my client.
From the last I brought this before, my officers, they wanted to throw the book at him. We're here for a reason.
Oh,
At
what?
his request.
I'm having trouble hearing. Oh, sorry.
We're here at his request. But I can confirm or reconfirm.
That bargain we talked about, we can send us all home, save us some tax dollars. All you need is to talk to.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry.
Can y'all step over here, please?
Yes.
So I need to confirm they want to go with the plea bargaining. But
No.
I was told that, y'all wanted to throw the book. So
No, sir.
That's where we're at.
y'all are denying the plea bargaining.
Yes.
That's where the commissioner, we talked to the commissioner and we all agreed to just, we wanted to make an example.
So the
Say
fine
less.
would be
Good.
$2,500 with a recommended sentence of 15 months.
Okay,
No.
so I was told for the traffic stop
No.
where it's criminal
Bingo,
possession of a Class C and reckless endangerment, that was $4,500 with 40 months. So that's not
Yeah,
the
it
case
was-
anymore?
It was 4,500 and,
Is it 45 months?
yeah.
4,500 and 40 months.
Yep. $4,500
$4,500 fine and 40 months. We
Yep,
wanted, the commissioner and everybody wanted to triple the fine and give him the 40 months.
Yep.
So the fine is what now? You said triple?
4,500? Yep, they
4,500?
wanted to triple the fine and give him the 40 months.
Okay, and that's for the traffic stop, correct?
And a class 2.
Yeah.
We're gonna wait
criminal possession
on
of
the-
class.
We're going to wait on the warrant as well, too.
Wait
we're
on the
gonna-
warrant.
Proceed that at a different time, so we're just going to deal with the traffic stop today.
Okay, I'll let them know. Thank you.
All right.
Mr. Pico, can you please come back with me to the bench?
Yes.
Okay, Your Honor, can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yes, the motion for the plea bargaining was denied by PD. They would like to proceed with the traffic stop with the recommended fine of $4,500 and 40 months.
Okay.
They denied the plea bargaining.
They denied your plea bargain.
Oh my.
Doesn't look good for you, young man. With a lawyer like me and a sentence like that.
Defense, do you have a rebuttal?
Yeah, but I actually thought it was a Nerf gun, to be honest, so.
Why you always tell me how to do
my
my
bad.
job?
I'm not. I need to explain.
A
my
Nerf
sentence
gun.
to him.
Mm-hmm.
Did
And
you
then,
fire it?
I clicked the trigger, and then it was like, I actually shot a real bullet, and then I got scared.
Otherwise,
But I thought it was a
Then
Nerf
what'd
gun.
you do?
should've let him up there.
And then
Confirm it did have a.
I tried to put it away in my trunk because I didn't want to fire it again. And then they told me to get back in my vehicle. But I was like trying to put it in a safe spot, so I didn't listen. And then they grabbed me as I was trying to put it away.
Can you describe that?
Describe what?
How they grabbed you?
I kind of forgot. My mind's kind of fogged.
Okay. You can have a seat.
I might get out. I don't know. said I found it in the trash can. And I thought it was a Nerf gun.
So, Your Honor, I hope you look at his age and he recognizes stupidity.
I'm literally 21.
Hope you take that into effect.
Rebuttal?
Draco, you gotta be my lawyer.
Prosecution, he's not a minor. He was born in 2001. That's going to make him an adult.
Yeah. Sorry, I don't know what this guy was talking about.
I would just like to say that according to PD's records and checking of the license, this individual was born in 2001, which would make him an adult in this good year of 2023. I also would like to say that if he wanted to get this over with, he could have just pleaded guilty and gone about his business. Instead, he chose to request a judge and a lawyer. So here we are going through this process,
Yes.
and I do think that this needs to be
Check.
made an example out of, because
He was looking. Oh,
because we all came down here on our time for this, and we're not going to accept the plea bargain that was offered by the client after the fact that we've gathered here. So,
well,
I
that's
would
where
just
you
like
make
to
a
say-
plea bargain is in court, not
No,
a jail
okay.
cell.
thank you.
You gotta take the scan, Pico?
After hearing all the evidence,
Wait.
it is the order of this court.
Oh my.
The defendant shall pay $60,000 in fines and serve
fucking
5
Christ.
months in jail. That's the order. Court is adjourned.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, 5 months. Yeah, 5 months.
55 months. Good. Don't forget to pay your bill. Roscoe Pico.
Go ahead and stand up, sir.
Do.
Hey, can we get a watch on the lawyer? There was threats made in the courtroom on Roscoe.
Yes, ma'am.
I actually need to make a call. I'm sorry.
Why is it always end like this for me?
Why, indeed.
I mean, why didn't, we're supposed to come here to make a plea bargain, aren't we?
We are, but this was the very first one, and they
And you
denied
wanted
it.
to use him as an example? We're not going to get along, are we?
I mean, he's the one that dragged us down here.
You're pretty tall.
I know. Hello.
Yo,
Hi, are you seriously busy right now?
yeah, what up?
Damn. All right. Never mind. I'll make my own way.
What happened?
You think we can
I was
sneak
at
out
the
side
courthouse,
door?
and court was adjourned, and apparently threats were made on my life because it didn't turn out in the favor of the defendant. So I was going to ask if you could give me a ride home, but
Storm about to hit. How much time for Storm?
10 minutes.
10?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be down there.
Thank you. Was that what I thought it was?
Yep.
Yeah,
go
I
ahead
was
and head
trying.
back in.
I needed a lawyer.
Head back in the courtroom for me.
Gosh. Here we are yet again, Judge.
I cannot believe it. Like, this is not even feasible, right?
It's not.
Like, this is an absolute no.
Judge, we need you in your chambers. Ms. B, you as well, please.
I'm letting y'all know
We got
right
a gentleman
now.
on the floor in the courtroom.
I have a ride, and when my ride gets here, I am gone. You will not catch me slacking up in here ever again.
Yeah, we're gonna have to
Hey,
get like,
I know you don't like me too much, Speed, but I watered your plant in your office, okay?
don't go in her office.
Well, I needed to wash him. And I thought I'd water her plant at the same time, so.
You have your own office. Don't go in her
I
office.
have a vehicle on the side.
There's no lock on it, though.
Yeah, I have a vehicle.
Don't go in her office.
I gave her a lawyer
Don't ever
pass
be in there.
and a certificate, too.
Don't
Just
go
to
in
let
her
you know.
office. Don't go in there.
Couldn't find mine.
Don't.
I think I'm office number 1.
Don't go in there. Yep.
She's
Yep,
office
that's yours.
number 1,
3.
2, 3.
See?
I don't think
See
she
what
likes
you
me.
did? No, see?
Let me go talk. Oh, hi. Well,
It's
I'm gonna
not
go
gonna
try
work.
to sneak.
Wait, what's that mean?
Yes, where are you?
I'm outside in the front.
The front?
Yeah. By your ambulance.
I don't think I can make it there. Police are guarding the door. Could you come to the side entrance?
That was a bad idea.
Alright, I'm on the
That's a
side.
nice pink top you have there. Don't go that way.
Right out here for the side door.
Alright, go ahead and get in the car.
Let us go, please. Thank you. Thank you so much.